Hi, I'm Will at Vantec Glass. Today we're going to have a look at the brand new Mercedes Sprinter sliding window. This is the new version with the new drop pin lock. So let's show you the features of how that lock works and why it's a really good thing. Let's have a look. So this is our brand new Mercedes Sprinter sliding window with the drop pin lock. So pretty much the same as all our other windows. On the outside you have this new rubber seal rather than an aluminium trim, which means it just looks a little bit nicer, won't corrode over time. The glass itself is all CNC finished, so we don't have any hand finished corners, which means that all the corners are perfect how they should be, not misaligned or kind of filed round. So that's the front of the glass, and this is the back of the glass. So fly screen, the new drop pin lock, larger drainage system. Show you how the drop pin lock works. So the drop pin lock has a couple of buttons on it. So when it's set in the down position, as you're moving the window open, it will drop into the pin, and that means that the window is now locked. So we've got a couple of different opening positions with the window locked, one at 2 inch, one at 6 inch, and one at about 12 inch. The window opens to about 15 inch by 20 inch. So with the window being locked, you basically just push the lever up and you can start moving the window again. So to lock the window, you just push it down and it will drop into its locked position. That's now locked and can't be opened from the outside. The fly screen itself works in the normal way, so once the window's open, you can open and close the screen as you want. The feature on this new fly screen is we've made it kind of latch more positively into the rail itself. And the reason we've done that is that some other windows have been known for the fly screen to open whilst you're driving along, but because this one now drops in there with quite a bit of force, that now doesn't happen. So it does take quite a little bit of force to actually open that window, which means that it won't be opening when you're driving. So there you go, that's our brand new Mercedes Sprinter sliding window with a fly screen and the new drop pin lock. These fit all Mercedes Sprinters from 2007 all the way up to 2015. They fit 144 wheelbase models and 170 wheelbase models. These are currently available to fit in the passenger side sliding door and the panel opposite. These are in stock, ready to ship, available now at vantecglass.com. Thanks a lot.